morning and welcome to Gustav's Almost One Man Filmmaking. And due to there are multiple ways to do a really boring movie, that's why I'm going to show you how to not make a boring movie. Because there is examples of fantastic movies that has been incredibly boring things. Because I have the best taste in the world. You see, in this terrible light here, that this is Crazy Fat Ethel and Criminal Insane, and they made 4 movies of them, but the 2 last was called Maniac Nurse, which did have a lot of really boring scenes with people making coffee and eating beans and with absolutely no cutting at all. So that's why I'm going to cut to myself a few months ago to show you how to make it interesting. So, this is a very interesting thing. Without me talking here, he would do this all by himself there, standing there, taking the coffee pot, walking over there, and then put the water into the machine, and then the coffee. And you see, if I would remove from this calculation, this would be insanely boring to watch when it's completely silent. A man going from that side of the room to that side of the room without any intercutting. So, now we're gonna show you how to make this a little bit more interesting. Nu syns det bra i kameran. So, now you see that you actually can make it a little bit more interesting, because that segment where we cut a lot of things in the coffee making was actually longer than the clip where I was actually talking. So, yeah, you can make anything like flow through, even though it takes a little bit longer time, but it's actually more interesting to watch. Also, it's not Nick Phillips style of people doing mundane shit in one take without any cuts in it. But that can also be performed in a very interesting way. But anyway, this is one way to make your movie more interesting if you're going to have scenes with incredibly mundane stuff in it. On a side note also, when I was researching this, I actually find that Jim Sterling mentioned Crazy Fast Ethel 2 in one of his reviews of Detroit Become Human, which I was finding quite funny. So anyway, see you in the next one. Bye.